Hello everyone. Welcome to your studio, Formlab Studio. Let's work together to model this mass. First, turn on Grid Snap and switch to the top view. Draw a polyline like this. Next, add a fillet. Set the radius to 3 meters. Create a rectangle and use the Boolean curve. After that, switch to the perspective view. Move the object up with the gumball, 4 meters. Loft the curves and cap the open surface. Contour the volume every 40 centimeters. Isolate curves. Then, extrude the curve. Apply a Boolean union. Next, switch to the right view and draw the first rise of the stair with polyline. Create a linear array. Draw another polyline and join all curves. After that, switch to the perspective view. Then extrude the curve. Use a Boolean difference. Switch to the front view. Draw a polyline. Then, draw a free curve and apply the Boolean curve. Switch to the perspective view. Now extrude the curve and remove it from the mass by the Boolean difference. Finally, mirror the geometry. And enjoy the result.